Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is March 29, 2016, and today is Tuesday morning. So looking at the economic calendar today, two items coming out of the United States. One is at 4 p.m. consumer confidence number. No, it's not. This number is not overstated. It's actually a very important number that comes out. So we'll be looking at that, and then at 6:20 South African time, that's p.m., Fed Chairman Yellen will be speaking, so following up on the economic situation in the States. So we'll be following that very carefully. Looking at the EURUSD, as you can see, we're just what I call loitering. Okay, and this is not really breaking in any specific move. I mean, it's just between these two thresholds. It's a little bit hard to say where exactly we're going to be. We had this 1, 2, 3 run-ups, and we mentioned this yesterday. A little bit of a resistance at 113.27. So we're right, at the bottom of the range, closer to the bottom of the range. But you remember, Friday's NFP, so that's a big number. So things are expectantly quiet in the markets. Looking at the Dow Jones yesterday, didn't do much. Okay, just went up about 50 to 60 points. Just again, loitering, didn't really do much. And that really is because, the markets are a little bit saturated. We're waiting to see consumer confidence, and we're waiting to see the NFP this week. And let's see how that unfolds. Looking at gold, also just hanging out yesterday. And we had mentioned yesterday that it would be a quieter day as things are progressing into the first part of the second quarter of the year, and as things are actually developing as we speak. Looking at the GBPUSD, we had this nice rally up. We had a little bit of a sell-off so far, but again, we look like we want to be trading between these two levels, trading in this range between this upper level of 144-ish and the lower level 140-ish, and we'll be again loitering between these two thresholds. So all in all, let's see how this develops. I'd more keep an eye on how the market develops as opposed to anything else. Looking at the GBP Japanese yen here, as you can see, it rallied back. It hasn't sold off like the GBPUSD has, and it still looks like it wants to go maybe a little bit further. It'd be nice to see this go above this 163 level, maybe come to 171 and retrace some of its sell-off, but that has remained to be seen as the markets develop. So again, it's still relatively quiet in the markets this first Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday should be picking up. Thursday, but I would keep an eye on what's happening in the U.S. this afternoon. Those are important numbers, and see how that unfolds and reflects on the market. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.